Welcome to Meaningful Learning with Technology, 3rd edition, by Hallen, Mara, and Chrisman. What is meaningful learning? Learning that is meaningful will exhibit several of the following attributes. Technology will be used in the knowledge construction process. Technology will be used to support collaboration among peers and articulation among peers. Technology will be used to support conversation among professionals and thoughtful reflection of the final product. Technology is also useful in the investigation process. For example, Google and Yahoo are great resources for students to investigate concepts and ideas on the World Wide Web. Diego is a social bookmarking website that allows students to share bookmarks of meaningful websites that they have found with one another. Other types of handheld technology, such as cell phones or CBL units, allow students to collect real-world data, such as time, temperature, and rate of change. Technology also supports experimentation among students. One of the important ideas that is developed through experimentation is that it develops casual reasoning skills among students. Examples of technology that support experimentation are commonly found in video games such as SimCity and Age of Empires. Technology is also useful in supporting the writing process. Project.mp4 helps to support the organization and planning process by helping students create mind maps. WordPress is a great resource to support creative writing as it allows students to publish writing online through blogs. Microsoft PowerPoint is a great technological tool that assists students in the presentation writing process. Google Documents supports collaborative writing among peers. And finally, technology must also be used to support peer feedback. This is an essential portion of the creative writing process as it allows students to improve and identify areas of their weakness. Technology helps to support the modeling of concepts among students. Again, Poplet.com can be used to support thinking with mind maps. Excel is a great way to model mathematical processes such as growth, rate of change, multiplication, and division. Microsoft Access is a database program that helps students to model experiences. This is useful in social studies classes and in history classes. Technology also plays an essential role in building learning communities. Edmodo is a great social networking website that can be used to facilitate classroom discussion among students and is a safe working environment for all students as it allows instructors to limit those who have access to it. Classroom 2.0 is another social networking website for professional educators, and it assists and facilitates in the building of professional learning communities among teachers. TeacherTube is a great website that is used to share videos and ideas with other professional teachers and other students. Technology supports the process of communication. This is an essential role when building communities. Communication allows feedback among peers. Common types of technology that support communication are chat rooms, podcasts, discussion boards, and video conferencing. Technology also helps students in the designing process. The designing process is very similar to real-world problem-solving techniques. Some types of technology that support the design process are AutoCAD, which is a drawing program, iStop Motion, which allows students to make videos, simulation software such as Trebuchet Simulator allows students to design trebuchets and test them, and music composition software, which is a valuable tool in modeling mathematical concepts. Technology also supports visualization of ideas. For example, Molecular Workbench is a great website that allows chemistry teachers and physical science teachers to demonstrate scientific ideas in a visual aspect. Google Maps helps students to understand geographic ideas, and graphing calculators and Geometry Sketchpad are two examples of technology that help students to visualize mathematical ideas and concepts. Technology plays an essential role in the assessment process. Meaningful learning is assessed through performance tasks. 21st century classrooms will exhibit types of assessment programs such as e-portfolios, the use of electronic rubrics, and classroom response systems. The e-portfolios allow professors and educators to assess meaningful learning, that students can take an idea, apply it to a problem, develop a solution from beginning to end. Rubrics allow students the freedom to design their own project within a designed framework of assessment. Classroom response systems lend themselves to the traditional multiple choice format of assessment, but are very useful in gathering data for assessment of learning. Meaningful learning with technology will have a dramatic impact on 21st century schools. All schools will need to learn and adapt to the use of technology within their classrooms, and it's very important that technology is not just used in a teacher-centered manner. Technology should not be used as another method to redeliver teacher-centered instruction. On the other hand, technology should actually be used to facilitate student-centered learning, project-based learning, and learning that models real-world problem-solving processes.